How much price this?
This one is 1,400.
1,400.
Cheapest one?
Cheapest one is
See?
This is Kashmiri?
yeah, mountain goat.
Not
Kashmiri. Wow. Yes. This is
This one is 500 rupees.
500 rupees. Yes. It seems to me it's very cheapest if you come here to Bhaktapur Raj Darbar, then you will get such type of product you can purchase here. Hello ma'am, how are you? Yes, yes. Now we are getting many type of male and female product. It's very good, and also it seems to be
daughter like
very
Iranis. Not Nepalese.
Nepalese. I am Nepali. Her father is Nepali.
Oh, you are Nepalese.
Yes.
Oh,
This is my
good.
own house.
This is your own house. Oh, here is Raj Darbar.
Here is 55 palace windows.
Yeah.
You see?
It
Yeah.
is the Darbar.
This is Raj Darbar. But in this Raj Darbar, it's your own house.
Yes, one house. This is my
Wow, so long houses.
Yes.
Oh, how many children of you?
My one son, one daughter.
One son and one daughter. Your daughter is doing business.
She is finished bachelor now.
That's
Now,
not
and she
finished.
wants to join MA now.
Oh, yeah.
Now she's helping me in business.
Very good. And what your son doing?
As you see, he's just starting 11.
11
class.
Oh, what your husband doing?
It's same.
Oh, he is
Yes,
doing
yes,
this
same
business.
yes.
Oh, so many the many years you are doing this business.
Yes, yes.
So long days.
Long.
Yeah, as a just we saw in Nepal, female person is doing business.
Just like this shawl, sari, salwar, kurta, that types of yes, business.
Good. So all of you are very good. Okay. I am talking with my channel JF Live TV. What can you say to my television about your country? You can say. Yes. The best one is your country.
Please do visit our
Visit?
country.
Yeah. Yes. Also, I invite you. You may visit our country. The nice place, the longest sea beach, the mangrove forest also is here.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. দর্শক দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে চাচি মেয়ে চা বানায় অনেক খুঁজে খুঁজে আমরা বের করলাম এই आंटी का এই आपा का मम्मी है तो बहुत सुंदर लगे এবং চা বানিয়ে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে অনেক বড় একটি সিংহ মূর্তি এই পাশ থেকে এখান থেকে এই পাশে দুইটা অনেক বড় একটি সিংহ মূর্তি। What your expression to see this Bhaktapur?
Bhaktapur.
This is Bhaktapur.
Oh, it's very nice, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, very beautiful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
ভক্তপুরে এই জায়গাতে অনেক টুরিস্ট এসে তারা কিন্তু এভাবে এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে ছবি তোলার চেষ্টা করছে। আমরা একটু ছবি করি। হ্যালো, হাউ আর ইউ?
Good.
You are I am fine. You are what your expression to see this? Very good.
Very good.
Thank you. It's very nice. Just here. I am going there. It's here.